Kevin's getting it.
Thanks, Kev. We've done this all the time. We just like unplug it. Like this one is.
It's hardwired. Just blow the smoke away.
Are you really recording this?
Derek said it was baby.
Hot, don't run in here, it's hot.